In this video, I will show you how to back up your website in WordPress. This guide focuses on using the all-in-one WP migration plugin to create and manage backups efficiently. Click on the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click the Add Plugin button to add a new plugin. Click on the Search Plugins field to search for a plugin. Type All-in-one WP in the search field to find the All-in-one WP migration plugin. Click the Install Now button to install the plugin. Click the Activate button to activate the plugin after installation. Click the Visit Site button to view the front end of your website. Click the dashboard link to return to the WordPress admin area. Click the Settings menu to access WordPress settings. Click the Reading option under Settings. Click the drop-down menu labeled A. Select Below to choose a static page. Type Page in the drop-down to filter pages. Select the home page from the drop-down list. Click the Save Changes button to apply the new homepage setting. Click the Visit Site button to view the updated homepage. Click the All-in-one WP Migration menu item in the WordPress admin sidebar. Click the Backups tab within the All-in-one WP Migration plugin. Click on the existing backup entry to select it. Click the Delete button to remove the selected backup. Click the Create Backup button to start a new backup process. Click the Close button to exit the backup completion notification. Click the Date column header to sort backups by date. Click the Size column header to sort backups by size. This guide showed how to install and activate the All-in-one WP Migration plugin, set a static homepage, create and manage backups, and download backup files to secure your WordPress website data.